My old desk had to go. It wasn't totally bad, but I needed better space for my gear and make it more comfortable as I spend a lot of hours here. This is my not yet finished video editing station and camera gear cart. My goal is to have the stuff I use on a regular basis in a nice and clean looking area. Not knowing exactly what I wanted, I found it easier to first sketch it up with real measurements. As you might see, I ended up with mainly IKEA furniture. Let's start with the cart for my camera gear. Skoog. The GoPro stuff ended up in the bottom, though I never really use it. I guess it just felt good to organize all those screws and small parts. When I finish it up, my guess is that this will be replaced by other stuff. The cart also holds a tripod, a gorilla pod and clamps I might need for the next shoot. I find it very easy to access all this stuff when I can roll it out in a more open space, and from there pack my camera bag. The desk itself is bekant, which translates to familiar. I mounted IKEA's wireless charging plate and a SD card reader for easier importing my footage. I'm still thinking about how to organize or hide my drives, my drone and headphones, and of course the cable management in general. The desk has a smart net underneath, but I still have to do some old school nailing. There you have it, my new desk for video editing and organizing my camera gear. Now the break is over, I have to finish this up. See you around. Goodbye.